Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to show you how you can send certificates for your students automatically through Google Forms. Let's dive in. So you want to go into Google Forms, make sure you give it a title, and because these are based on points, percentages, you want to make sure you turn it into a quiz. And assign points. You also want to immediately, after each submission, release the grade so that they can receive the certificate right away. And of course, you have your basic options down here. Click Save. Create your quiz. Make sure you create the answer key. Forgot to give it points. Give it 1 point. I usually make all my questions required because sometimes students skip the questions, but it's up to you. Go to the plus, it will add another question. Answer key, 1 point again. That's the correct answer. Make it required. So now I've got my quiz set up. I want to go to this puzzle piece here and get Certify'em. If you do not have that there, if you go to the 3 dots, which is for more options, go down to add-ons, search for Certify'em, and you will be given the option to install. I already have it installed, so I don't need to do this. Once you have it, click on Certify'em. Sometimes it doesn't give you all the options. It gets a little stuck. I'm not sure why, if it's a glitch in my computer. So it should come up like this and say Enable Certify'em in this quiz. You want to turn it on. That's interesting. When I did this earlier, it actually did it for me, I thought. So let me go back. I thought I added the name. So right here with my options on the first pane here, if I do add, I'm going to type in full name. They said make it 0 points. So now it's on. I want everyone who passes the quiz, everyone who tries it to get a certificate. So I've set my passing at 0. They have many options for you to choose from, or you can use a custom template. This is what their options look like. Just kind of basic, simple certificates, but they work. If you want, you can create your own in Google Slides. In my next video, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Notice it says 99. You get 100 a month with the free version. For my teacher account, I get 1,500, not a month, it's a day. It's 100 a day or 1,500 a day. Every 24 hours, it'll reload. So I'm going to just stick with the golden one. That's the choice I've chosen. Go to Advanced Settings. Here you can send out messages to your students. And I'm going to say, because this is just for participation, name of sender, put your name. And subject, you want to put the name of the quiz. And you can type in a message. I generally like to save it and send it as a PDF. My time zone and the date format will automatically be generated in the date spot. Save my changes. The link, I usually shorten it. And send this out to your students through your learning management system. My full name. This is the name that will appear on the certificate. And submit. And there's my message that I put that comes up at the end. It says you will receive a certificate shortly. I can view my score. See, I got 2 out of 2. So almost immediately after the student completes the quiz, they will receive an email like this. And notice there's a certificate ID. Every single certificate has an ID number attached to it so that you can keep track. They can't copy and paste it and share it and all those good things. And I'll show you where to see that spreadsheet. Just your basic certificate. Gives you the date, gives me my percentages. Let's go back into the Certifyem controls. Right here where it says Certificate of Records. Notice I had to do it twice because the first time I was like, why am I'm not getting my certificate? That's because I entered the email wrong. So if you mistype your email, it's not going to get to you. And here is the certificate numbers, and they're all different. And it tells you exactly what time it was sent. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you need help with creating a Google form, go ahead and check out this video. If you want to know how to create custom awards, I will be doing that in my next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget that bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos every single week. Remember, step out, be uniquely wonderful you, and have a great day.